Hi and welcome to this video. So today we're going to learn how to make magic videos. So let's start. To start off, let's do the one that you have to jump. So you basically just jump, and when your feet almost touch the floor, you like remove your shoes and you post a video. So it would look like this. You can do it the other way around too. When you pose, try to make sure that your feet are in a similar position than before you pose to make it look more real. Another way is to get a few objects, for example these pens, then you place one here and then you touch it like that. You pause the video and you just swap it for another one of another color. So it will look like this. You can also add items, like for example like this. Ta-da! The final way I'm going to show you is to call items to you. For example, you get this felty pen, you stick out your hand and then you call it to you with magic, and then you leave your hand like that, you pause the video, and the felty pen magically appears in your hand, so it would look like this. Ta-da! Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you really enjoyed it and that in the future you'll enjoy making magic videos for your friends, family, or just for fun. Thank you.